Hey. See Mimi's new kitty cat?
Mm-hmm.
Go pet him. He's pretty. Say hey, kitty baby.
Hey.
Pet him. Pet him. He's just a baby.
Baby, what is that?
Huh?
Baby.
What?
What is that? Me and Mama.
You're Spider-Man?
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, but pet the kitty cat.
Hmm?
Pet Mimi's new kitty cat. Please. Huh? In a second.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it here, I'll help you. Now, see, he's good. Go bring the kitty cat to Mimi. Thanks. Pet him. What is... What's wrong? Pet the kitty cat. Pet him. Pet him. What is it? What? That cat ain't gonna get you. Maybe you gotta get up. What is it? He's just a kitty. Pet him. You don't like him? Well, come on, I'll help you. Come on. You don't like him? Huh? No? Why? He's just a baby. He's just a little baby kitty.
No.
No?
No. I'm not like him.
Huh? You don't like him?
No.
Okay. He's just a baby. You want to sit on the bed?
Yeah.
Okay, here. They're right there. Now look. Look. Mimi got you a bowl of candy. Here you go. Here. Get you some candy. Get you some candy. Huh? What is it? Get you some candy. Get some candy. Here. Here. Is that all you want?
Yeah.
Want some more? Get you some more candy. Okay? Want some more? Huh? Want Mimi's kitty cat up on the bed with you? He likes you.
Huh?
He likes you. You don't like kitty cat? Why?
God, can't get me.
He's not gonna get you. He's a good kitty. He's a good kitty. No? Okay, we'll get you some more candy. Okay?
That was me.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Please, here.
Get Mimi a pack.
Good.
Thanks. What?
And give me.
No, he's not gonna get you. Huh?
Help me.
Help you?
Yeah.
What you need help with?
You.
Huh?
You help me.
You need help you?
Yeah.
What do you need help with?
You.
Well, come on. Come on. Okay. We'll go pet him? Okay.